Yo there people, just a quick video of this radio. Colt 295. Just a little one that I'm doing up at the moment. When I got it, it didn't have any case screws on it, so I've put some in. And the case was a little bit bent, but I've sorted that out. And it had a bit of a dodgy mic as well. So, if I can find it. It was wired wrong for the radio. Even though it was an original Colt coffin mic, it was wired wrong for the radio. So, I've ordered a new one off eBay, which should arrive tomorrow with any luck. All I got to do, pop down to Maplin. They sell these exact knobs. So I'm going to get one that's just a tiny little bit bigger than this to match these for it to go on here. So, this silver one's a bit worn, you can probably see around the edges. But apart from that, the front plate's in tidy condition. The chrome isn't so much. Neither is the casing. Needs a good respray. But I'll be sanding that down soon, and then getting a mate of mine to spray it for me. Don't know what colour yet. Might get it sprayed same colour as the front panel, kind of a goldy colour. Looks brown on the video for some reason, but it's kind of a deep gold. Or I might just get it painted black again. Less bother. But once I've done with this, I'll be selling it on eBay. And when the time comes to sell it on eBay, I'll put the eBay item number in the description. So, if you want to have a look at it, you can. So, here we are. Colt 295. Straight 40 channel, 2781 CB. Ready for restoration. I'll start the work tomorrow. So, 70 please.